Make chicken breast juicy and crispy with this Chinese street-style secret method. Step 1. Cut the chicken breast into medium-sized strips, about 1 inch wide and ½ inch thick. Do not along the fiber. Cut the chicken breast against the fiber into medium-sized strips. Salt 1 teaspoon. Ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. Step 2. Coating. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. All-purpose flour 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. 1 egg. Mix gently to make a light, sticky coating. Do not add water. The coating should not be too thick. Rest the coated chicken for 5 minutes before frying. Step 3. Heat oil. Oil. ½ cup. Heat ½ cup of oil on medium flame in a wide pan for shallow frying. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry only 5 to 6 chicken strips at a time. Overcrowding will reduce the oil temperature, and the chicken will steam instead of frying. Step 4. Flip, steam trick. Fry the first side for 2 minutes on medium flame until it turns light golden. Flip the chicken and immediately splash 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Cover the pan and let it steam for 30 seconds. This keeps the chicken juicy inside. Step 5. Batch fry. Remove the lid and fry on high flame for 30 seconds until the chicken becomes crispy and golden. Do not over-fry the chicken, or the chicken breast will become rubbery. I am frying the chicken in batches because the pan is small. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry only a few pieces at a time. Always add salt first, it helps keep the chicken juicy. Steaming makes the chicken breast soft and juicy. Step 6. Prepare Chinese street-style sauce. Butter, 1 tablespoon. Garlic, 1 teaspoon. Green chili, 1 teaspoon. Tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon. Chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon. Soya sauce, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper powder, 1 pinch. Sauté for a few seconds. Step 7. Toss chicken. Add the fried chicken and toss on high flame for 1 minute. Step 8. Serving. Finish with spring onions and serve hot. Crispy outside and juicy inside, Chinese street-style chicken breast fry is ready.